What's up, traders? Julian here from jlewistrading.com, and we are doing a market review for Friday, July 20th, 2018. And we're checking out the S&P. We've been following it, tracking it. And, again, like I've been mentioning in these videos, we've had this checkpoint right through here that price action is broken out of. We had this little miniature flag that's kind of holding on this 10-day exponential moving average. We are getting a bit of a pullback here in momentum, and so I'm curious to see if this level is going to hold, and then we'll have price action bounce off of it and then move to that all-time high over here on the S&P at 2869. So as of right now, just kind of waiting, see what happens. I'm not going to make a judgment call on the S&P, but again, it blew through this trigger point right through here. You can see that it broke out, and it is generally holding this level of 2790 with this pullback. What we'd really want to see is it come down and hold 2790 and then cruise through 2819 and continue to make its way up to all-time high. But again, the one thing to keep in mind is that there is a bit of a pullback in momentum right through here on the MACD histogram. If the MACD histogram was to follow through and completely come off, and the signal line was to get crossed down on, we could see a situation where 2790 actually does not hold and price action comes lower. Now, we do have trend line resistance that could in fact become trendline support. We also have some moving average support right through here. So there are a few things that could stop movement coming down even faster and harder. So we would just have to wait and see. So currently right now, the S&P for the last 2 days has taken a bit of a break. It's tied directly to earnings and some macro headwinds that the entire world is dealing with. But with that, in Ask a Trader last night, we did look at Ralph Lauren, and Ralph Lauren actually broke out of a key level today in today's trading session, and for the last 2 days has been very, very bullish, up 1.3% today. And again, this is something that we talked about in Ask a Trader just last night. We alerted it and we told our community that RL was something that we were looking at based on a key level being taken out. And today that happened, and we had slightly above average volume. And again, Ralph Lauren, RL is the symbol. We talked about this last night in Ask a Trader with a whole host of other stocks that are also in play. And if you want to get in front of some of these trades that we're talking to our community about, there is a link in the description box below. You can become a free member of Ask a Trader. And we host that webinar on both Tuesdays and Thursdays at 6 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. So again, in the description box, there is a link. You can sign up. It is 100% free, and you can see what we're doing and how we're looking at the market and stocks that we're tracking. And again, don't forget to like and subscribe. This is the market recap for the S&P 500 and a retrospective look at a trigger point that broke out long on Ralph Lauren. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next market recap.